This is super rare.
Tornado Watch 193 in effect until 8 p.m. daylight time for the following areas. In Colorado, this watch includes 12 counties in east central Colorado: Elbert, Lincoln; in northeast Colorado, Adams, Arapahoe, Denver, Douglas, Logan, Morgan, Phillips, Sedgwick, Washington, Weld. This includes the cities of Akron, Aurora, Castle Rock, Centennial, Denver International Airport, Elizabeth, Fort Morgan, Greeley, Holyoke, Kiowa, Lyman, Parker, Sterling, Thornton, Westminster, and Windsor. Primary threats include a couple tornadoes, possible scattered large hail, and isolated very large hail events to 2.5 inches in diameter, likely isolated significant damaging wind gusts to 75 miles an hour possible. Remember, a tornado watch means conditions are favorable for tornadoes and severe thunderstorms in and close to the watch area. Persons in these areas should be on the lookout for threatening weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Here is the forecast for Boulder and the western Denver suburbs. Rest of today, mostly cloudy.